India is a member of that, if you can believe it. It's an attack on the dollar. Prime Minister Modi is a friend of mine, but they don't do very much business in terms of business with us.
In a surprising and sharp move, US President Donald Trump has imposed a 25% tariff on India. Announced via an executive order and a post on Truth Social, Trump slammed India's trade practices and its ties with Russia. Calling India a friend with very high tariffs, he said that the US has done little business with the country because of obnoxious trade barriers. But what really triggered this move? Well, Trump points fingers at more than just trade. He launched a verbal attack on India's growing ties with Russia, especially its large-scale imports of military equipment and energy. He accused India of indirectly helping Russia during the Ukraine war and said that they can take their dead economies down together for all I care. He criticized India for buying discounted Russian oil and claimed the US should not be dealing with such partners. Now, while Trump hits out at India-Russia trade, how strong are US-Russia trade ties today? Interestingly, the US barely trades with Russia anymore. In 2024, trade between the two countries totaled just $3.5 billion, down from $15 billion in 2022. Imports dropped over 34%, while exports fell by 12%. The US trade deficit with Russia shrank significantly, mainly due to sanctions and restricted goods. Still, the US imports strategic materials like enriched uranium and palladium from Russia, which are hard to source elsewhere. And how is India reacting to this escalating trade drama? Well, India responded diplomatically but firmly. The Ministry of Commerce and Industry said that India remains committed to a fair and balanced trade agreement with the US while also protecting the interests of its farmers, entrepreneurs, and MSMEs. Officials said India will take all necessary steps to safeguard its national interests, just like it has in recent trade deals like the one with the UK. With lines drawn and tariffs triggered, where does this leave India and the United States? Well, overall, this tariff war highlights growing tensions in global diplomacy, especially when allies disagree on strategy and trade. With Trump's return to the spotlight and India standing its ground, the road ahead could be bumpy. Will diplomacy smoothen things out, or are we headed for a deeper divide in global trade? What are your views? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.